New year, new hobby. How about woodworking? Mike Durlack from Rockler Woodworking and Hardware is here with some great projects and plenty of resources to help you get started. Now, Jordan is going to be demoing this as well. And so you guys are going to talk us through this. What is going on here?
Well, this is, Jordan's done this before. She's almost an expert. Okay.
Almost an expert. Almost.
All right. So this is, we're going to make, show them how to make custom pens. And these are some examples.
Oh, those are beautiful.
We make, and they start out with a simple kit and a block of wood. And she's going to be turning that initially start out turning that shape down to shape the pen. Okay,
well, I think she should get started then, because we're going to show us some of the other finished products. But
it might be a little bit loud, and watch your eyes, because you don't have any protective gear on.
We may have to stop it down.
All right, can you fire
ready?
Up? Yeah.
We're ready.
So get it going, and then I'm going to anchor.
It's going fast. Okay, so you offer these projects then, Mike. People can come in and actually learn how to do this.
Absolutely. We do pre-demonstrations on Saturday at 11 o'clock.
I feel like I need to put my paper up here. But this is it, you provide the materials too?
Yes, we do.
Wow.
And we have all the basic stuff you need to get started. If it gets a little bit expensive, and to get started, we can also, there's local clubs that have a shop that you can go to and use our tools.
Okay, so you have all that available, and then you do these demos. How often do you do the demos?
Every Saturday at 11 o'clock.
Okay, where's your location?
We're at 8199 Claremont Mesa Boulevard, 2 East West of 163.
Okay, so it's centrally located. All right, so this eventually is going to become a pen. Have you done this before?
Believe it or not, I have, as terrible as that was sounding. I have done it. It's been a while, but as you can see, it's starting to round out a little bit, and eventually it becomes something that you put together with the pen kit, which they sell at Rockler. They'll help you do it. It's such a great starter project for woodworking.
That's terrific. So this is just one of many things that people can make. What are some other starter projects?
I'll play Vanna White for you.
Yeah. Oh, just a little bit of everything. We have kits for children. We have anything to get you started from basic woodworking. We have make and take classes where you actually come and we provide all the tools, all the materials, and we'll get you started on those, from pen turning to knife making. To boxes, things like that.
Do you find people get really into it? I mean, I know you have done this before.
I'm eagerly waiting to go to the next make and take class. Eagerly waiting to go.
It is. It's, you know, a lot of people, it's their first experience with woodworking, and they come out of it really energized and enjoying the fact that they just made something, showed up that day and just made something.
All right, I've heard you talk about this before, and I know it's your passion, but how fun. And this bowl is, I mean, you can't see it, but it's actually perfectly made. I mean, it's so smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah, so very nice. We'll have to check that out. Thank you. That was great. Check out Rockler Woodworking. They are at 8199 Claremont Mesa Boulevard, and they have those demos every Saturday morning at 11.